Palestinian medics have said dozens of people have died in fresh Israeli attacks on the southern Gaza city of Rafah on Tuesday, 2 days after 45 people were reportedly killed in an airstrike which sparked international condemnation. The Israeli military said it was investigating reports of an attack on a shelter for displaced persons in western Rafah. Hamas authorities said the attack featured at least 4 grenades, with unconfirmed estimates putting the death toll at more than 20. During his visit to Odisha on Wednesday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said in a public rally that after BJP forms government in Odisha, a special committee would be formed to probe what actually led to the sudden deterioration of the health of Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik. He also assured that in the next 5 years, India will become the third largest economy and states like Odisha will immensely benefit from this. PM asserted Odisha now wants an Odia CM and Modi ki guarantee. Delhi recorded all-time high temperature on Wednesday. The nation's capital registered 52.3 degrees Celsius. In Odisha, Jharsuguda was the hottest city with mercury touching 45.6 degrees Celsius. Sambalpur sizzled at 45.2 degrees Celsius, followed by Hirakud, 44.8 degrees Celsius, Rourkela, 43.6 degrees Celsius, Keonjhar, 41.2 degrees Celsius, and Bhubaneswar, 39.8 degrees Celsius. As per IMD, the day temperature is likely to rise in Odisha by 3 to 5 degrees, and in a big relief after the bomb threat. The authorities at the Kempegowda International Airport in Bangalore said that a thorough check proved it to be a hoax. According to police, the threat message was found on the mirror of a restroom in the airport premises. The miscreants had threatened that the administration and staff buildings in the airport premises would be blown off. The message stated that the buildings would be blown off in 25 minutes. The Kempegowda International Airport police have registered a case in this regard and taken up the investigation. The authorities have intensified checking at the airport premises.